Any questions or concerns?
Well, let me write this correctly first.
We kind of guessed that.
Huh?
We kind of guessed you'd have a correction today, since you didn't have any yesterday.
Which one of you is Chris?
I am.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. At least we can introduce myself here. I'm Chris.
I'm Chuck.
I'll shake your hand.
I'm the guy with the low intelligence. Or me.
Well, just intelligence to solar, it sounds like, is all I'm saying.
That's all I need to say. How did I get to the roof?
What's the correction here, just so we can understand what it is?
Well, let me finish this inspection, okay?
Well, we can. Wow.
Can I just finish the inspection and we'll go over
Yeah,
them?
yeah.
Okay? I mean,
Well, it's just easier to go over it at each
we'll
one.
discuss them when we're done here.
Okay. This would have been good yesterday to have done, huh? This would have been good to have done yesterday. Let's go up. It was all done.
Where's that bond wire?
Right there. Hey, let me ask you, why do you guys want number 6 ground coming from the panels down?
You'll have to ask the plan checker that. I'm not the plan checker.
He doesn't know. I wonder if it's, it's like Huntington Beach. If they checked like that.
Check to make sure your copper isn't in contact with this aluminum. Every electrician knows that one.
Yep.
At least what I thought.
But how do you bond aluminum rail to aluminum rail? How do you
lug?
Now, how do you bond like in a splice if you don't use copper?
Because we have to splice each rail together.
There's a contact point. Well, you do like you did there.
What?
What's that? You got a splice tie right here. You answered your own question.
Yeah. Does everything look okay here?
You're in contact with some areas here. Aluminum cannot be in contact with copper wiring, especially if they're current carrying conductors. They'll eat these panels up.
What current would it be? I can't figure out how the... Where's Brian?
Because if copper touches aluminum, you put Nomex, right?
Yeah, you just insulate it.
Yeah, Nomex is just a liquid.
A liquid or that little fiber insulation.
Yeah, they put Nomex on anytime copper, because they use copper on aluminum in the main service panel, but you put Nomex.
We call it no-lox.
Yeah, Nomex. So if I just put it on that, then...
Well, that would work too. That's
Yeah.
fine. As long as you just keep that contact situation away from each other.
So where do you... He wants it on the anywhere that's running along there on the bottom?
No, only where it's contacting each other.
The copper made for the rail, needs it, which is
No, the
grounding
copper
the rail.
bonding conductor
Yeah, it's
touching
grounding the
the
rail.
factory rails.
Yeah, because the copper needs to ground each rail. And then each splice, too, the copper grounds each splice.
And the lug pretty much picks up the difference so you can tie it to it.
Yeah.
That's...
The aluminum plated copper lugs.
No, they're not aluminum plated. They're copper. So
yeah,
how...
copper inside, but they have aluminum on the outside.
No,
there's a
zinc.
mix there.
It's zinc.
Oh, it's zinc.
But you got a copper connection here for your splice you were just talking about.
Uh-huh. So that's what I'm
I
trying
need
to.
to answer that question.
What, the kerning?
Well, he asked me that question. How do we do those splices?
Well, how do you guys expect to have them done? That's what my question was.
As you know, there are so many
Oh, it's
legal
not touching
ways
right
to
there.
do it on
It's
the
not
market.
touching? Where's it touching then?
It looks like there's a space like that above the rail and the copper.
Let me get back down here.
Corner it might be touching.
Well, touching.
Pull it down then. Pull it so it's not touching.
I could pull it. All I have to do is loosen up that ground. Pull
There
it
it
out.
is. Right there. There's one right there.
Okay.
Fix it real quick so he can see it.
Good luck on that one. That one right there. As you go down, drop it. Yeah. Tell by the connection.
Okay, so I learned something today.
This is your plan now.
Park downstairs.
Probably be a year away till we got to tie the inspectors in up here so they don't fall off for OSHA, for us and everybody. Let me hold the ladder for you. Thank you.
Plans over there.
No, you go.